Hey guys, Blue Butterfly 25 here, and today I'm going to be doing the animal squishy tag. And if you don't know what this, actually, I don't know who this oh my gosh, I don't know who this was created by, but it's basically, but if you don't know what it is, it's basically where you have a list of 10 animals that you have to show. If you don't have it, then I don't have a consequence, but like, it doesn't have a consequence, but I made up my own consequence. So I will be biting my homemade panda bun for 10 seconds every time I don't have one. And then I thought, for a funny thing in the video, I would balance my Hello Kitty bow on my head for the whole video, like this. And I'm starting now, so I can't let it fall off. If it does, I have to put it on within 1 second. Put it back on within 1 second. So I gotta be really careful. So I'll start on the squishy tag. So the first animal is a panda, and I have my jumbo panda bun. It's really cute and it smells just like coconut. Oh, it smells so good. But the next one is a bear, so I don't have that one, so I will be balancing this panda bun on, not balancing, biting it, so, for 10 seconds. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's done. And I don't have the third one, which is a duck. So I will be biting this one again. Oh, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I also do not have the fourth one, which is a dog. So I'll be biting this panda bun again for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the fifth one is a cat. So I think that Capybara Stone is a cat, but comment down below if I'm wrong. But this is the one I chose for cat. So the sixth one is a penguin, which I don't have. So 1. Okay, did it. Okay, so the sixth one I don't have, which is a penguin. So I'll be not balancing. Why do I keep getting that mixed up? So I'll be biting this panda bun for another 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the seventh one I do have, which is a turtle. Okay, got it. And I have my turtle bread. And again, comment down below what you think I should name her. So yeah, sorry if you hear it in the background. It's just my mom coming in grabbing something. Whew, gotta be careful. But this is the turtle bread for number 7. The 8th one is a bunny, so I'll be biting this one again for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And the 9th one, I think, is a fish. So I chose Millie the whale. Since she is fish related, she has a tail. She lives in the ocean, But this is the one I chose for number 9, which is a fish. Then number 10 is a frog, which I don't have. So for the last time, I will be biting this panda bun for 10 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that was gross. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked this tag. I tag everybody to do this tag that is watching, and comment down below if you did this tag, and if you did, make sure to tag me and show me your video. So I will see you guys later. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!